I've been a lot of places in the world, and I haven't found a place where I'm as happy as I am here.
You're watching Wild Retirement.
What do we mean by wild retirement? Well, think of it like this. WILD is an acronym, and it stands for What I Love Doing. These are stories about people at a particular stage in their lives who've made a decision to do what they love doing.
This is exactly what I live for, yes!
I call it living the wild life.
For decades, I've been obsessed with the expat experience. What would it be like to live in a foreign country? So I decided to come down to Mexico to see for myself. Who are you, lady?
I'm your wife.
If all the walking on cobblestones and hustle bustle of the city starts to wear you down, there's a solution. Some friends suggested that I make time to reflect on this trip. Can't think of a better place to do that. I suppose if you moved here, you'd do what everybody does in their hometown. Ignore the natural beauties and amazing things that are available to you all the time.
Or you become one of the protectors of this, and you help keep these places beautiful and diverse and managed. Very cool.
Happy wife, happy life.
But also learn more about the environment, because it's our world. It's all our world.